Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a freshly dried 18 by 24 inch canvas, some Meeden's white metallic, which I wish I had just put it out in cups, but the truth is I'm going to be spreading everything with a spatula, so, oh, I still see a couple damp spots. In any case, maybe I shouldn't worry about getting rid of all of the black. I am going to use some golden iridescent pearl fine, or golden iridescent, just gold. I don't know whether that was a thing or not. And I'm going to spatula it all into place and scrape it all off. With my scraper tools. And I will include the video underneath this video. This is a golden hour. This is a metallic from Arteza. This is my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is my Decor Americana 24 karat gold with a little bit of orange in it. Probably I could use a little more orange than that. And I'm tempted, I may put a little purple in here, but I haven't really made up my mind yet. But I am going to grab a spatula and attempt to cover this canvas with paint. And I'm just learning how to do that. It has to be a fairly sufficient layer to scrape through, and I am definitely thinking that maybe I shouldn't have worried about any of the black showing, because the black might be kind of nice. I'm definitely getting some cells, and it might be too busy, but I guess we'll find out. Go the other way. Not so sure about that golden hour, or even about my white metallic. I was going to use regular white, and I still probably could. Come on, turn, turn, turn. Let's put a little more. Let's put a lot more. Well, until I see the black show through, I really can't make up my mind as to whether I like this or not. It's not, in my opinion, right now very attractive. And I'm very tempted to put some black in there. Which I'm going to do. Because I can. Okay, so that is what it is. It's a first. I still want the purple. Let's see. Yeah, I'm happier with the purple. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. It's really unnerving. But I've got a scrape dish. I've got some paint on my spatula that I'm going to knock off on the edges just because I can. And here goes nothing. That was my original intention, was to do this and taper them down. So that is what I'm going to continue doing. Just go down and down and down. And hope that it doesn't look bad. Oh, that was not right. That's okay. I'm just going from one end of the canvas to the other in general. Do I want to do that? No, I don't. I'm not sure about that one. I'm not sure about crossing over either, but I'm going to do it because I want to. That's pretty neat. I don't think I mind that at all. And it's still I'm still experimenting at the beginning of this process, so I could have used a lot more negative space if I'd have wanted to. I didn't have to cross over, and maybe I shouldn't. I like the cross hatching over here though. I have a little tiny tool. I don't know if I should use it or not. But it's so much fun to play with this. It's just hard to stop. I think it should all be cross-hatched, or it should all be scraped. Not like I want to get rid of the paint, other than in the marks. But I'm glad I put that purple in there. It made a heck of a difference. And the black is pretty neat. There's not an overabundance of it. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up and share my videos. And know that when you watch them longer, it helps my channel survive. When you shop my Amazon link, it helps me buy art supplies eventually. Yes, I should put it down, shouldn't I? It's really hard to stop. I really am having a good time with this. I recommend this. I will, like I said, put the tools video underneath this video. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for all the compliments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate your support. And if you're making donations, thank you so much. And if you'd like to make a donation, know that there's a monthly drawing that helps me afford art supplies. There's never more than 15 people in it or so. And you'll be automatically sent an invitation to the monthly drawing, and you can see, let's go in there, and you can see what's available for the prizes for the monthly drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video. I haven't torched this. I don't think I expect any cells. This is basically about creating texture And I think another time or sometime later on I will definitely be leaving more negative space because I like it with more negative space. In the meantime, that can go right there. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to check out my link tree underneath the video. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And the link tree under Show More will have my email address under it if you're interested in contacting me about purchasing an artwork or taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you look further down, you'll find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe under most. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, is one of a few, and it's for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you to pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, and possibly Spring if you scroll down far enough. My spring clothing under the video is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and lots more cool stuff. My Legallerist is the top link on the link tree, and it's investment quality clothing made in Montreal with all over prints and beautiful kimono style tops and lots of great stuff worth looking at. My new Society 6 store has got furniture and really amazing stuff in, definitely worth checking out. I post 7 days a week at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. It's a time change, so if you're not used to it, please spread the good word. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. If you have questions, please ask them. Thank you guys for everything. I'm sure I forgot something. I have over 2,200 videos, going on 2,300 videos. And if you can't find a link, just ask me. I have them all organized by the 100 and by topic and genre. I love you guys. Take care of each other. The drawings are at the end of the month. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.